Hello. This video is to explain option 2 of the brain discussion. So the option, go to my website, choose one of the rotating models or the static models, and you are going to explain what is hard, boring, interesting, and easy. And I want you to do a screen capture, so you're going to be making a recording and pointing out the structures. And I'm suggesting using ScreenPal. Record for free, launch solo plan. I can't do this because I'm sort of using the app right now. And once you get it going, you are going to record. So I click the rotating models because I like them better to point things out. Now you can do the static models. I'll show that in a second. So if I click on this page, we have all the static models, but use things that we learned in class. So we learned about the longitudinal section of the spine. We learned about the cross section. Cranial nerves, we didn't learn, so don't do those. Does that make sense? Okay, so I want to do the brain. And I actually have videos explaining these. Unfortunately, when you make it the full screen, it messes up with the screen recorder, but you can grab the models and rotate them. And this is actually the one I want right here. So my interesting landmark is going to be the arbor vitae. This is the arbor vitae right here. And I like it because it looks like a leaf. So notice, I pointed out the structures and I said why. The second landmark with boring is the brainstem, the medulla oblongata. It's important, but I find it really boring. The easy is the hypothalamus right here. This is the thalamus, that's the hypothalamus down there. I just completely changed models on you for my hard, but I really wanted to do these structures. So the hard is telling the difference between the choroid plexus and the fornix. They're right next to each other, and some of the models make this blue and this white, or this blue and this white, so it's very confusing to me and the students. So notice what I did. I went to the models, I pointed, I said what was interesting, boring, hard, and easy, and why. Now, when you click done, you'll be given the option to save to your computer or upload to YouTube. You can do either. If you have YouTube, do it to YouTube. Otherwise, save it to your computer. If you save it to YouTube, it's really easy to embed. You come over here, you click share, you click embed. It'll give you a code. You copy the code. There's actually a button off screen that says copy. Control C. Then you come over to the discussion posts. You click your reply. Now, if you just give me the link, I'm not going to read it. You have to, and I'll give you a 0. You have to go insert, embed, click the embed code, click enter, and there's our post right there. Now, if you save it to your desktop, it's a little bit different. I'm going to do insert, media, upload, drag files here, so you could drag it, or since I have no idea where this file actually is, I am going to click this MOV file, and this was the digestive system. They did the same assignment as you guys. I click submit, and it goes in here. Then I click reply, and I have my post here. Here's my YouTube embedded. Here is my MOV file. Now it's important that you embed. I will not be following your links, okay? So you won't get credit if you just post a link. So I hope this clarifies how to do the second part of the discussion. I am now going to go save this, upload it to YouTube, and embed it. Thank you very much.